Hi everyone, welcome to CreateYogi channel. In this video, we are gonna do a 5-minute yoga for smartphone users. Let's do yoga. Constant use of smartphone over a long time can give us stress in our fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulder and neck areas. So in this short sequence, we will focus on those parts and try to relax our body. Before we begin, let's make sure we are sitting in the correct posture with the back straight, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the floor, and if possible, keep a smile on the face. Let's begin with the fingers. Lift your arms to the level of the shoulder in the front. Pull your fingers towards you and stretch them apart. Hold the stretch but keep breathing. When we type on the smartphone, it's a very small area and literally we squeeze our fingers when we use smartphone. With this stretch, we spread them apart and stretch the space between the fingers, which is called the web space. Few more seconds with the stretch. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in once again. Breathing out, relax your hands. Breathe in one more time to the front. This time we are going to stretch the fingers and squeeze them after the stretch. Stretch, hold the stretch and squeeze. Breathe in and stretch. Breathe out and squeeze. Breathe in, stretch. Breathe out, squeeze. And relax. Moving on to the thumbs, again arms in the front. Rotate the thumbs in the direction of your choice. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now reverse the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Bring your palms to the prayer position. We'll be doing figure of 8. So, left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Top, bottom. Up, down. Up and down. Relax. Now bring your palms in the prayer position in front of your heart and press them hard against each other. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch in your arms, elbows, and shoulders. Breathing out, relax. One more time, breathe in. Press the palms against each other. Hold the stretch, but keep breathing. Breathing out, relax. Now we will tilt our fingers to the left and right. Left and right. Do to the extent you can. Left and right. Left, right. One more time. To the left and to the right. Relax. Now shake your hands. Give them a nice, thorough shake. Shake, shake, shake. And let everything go. All stress, tension, worries. Shake, 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 shake. And relax. Put your hands to the side at the level of the shoulders. Now we'll be doing some wrist rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now reverse the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax. Let's stretch our hands to the side at the level of the shoulders and try drawing some circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now reverse the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Let's move on to neck. Breathing in. Tilt to the right, as if you're trying to bring your right ear closer to the right shoulder. Shoulders remain relaxed. Breathe out to the center. Breathe in. Breathing out to the left. Hold the stretch. Breathe in to the center. Breathing out, chin on chest. Breathing in, look all the way up. Breathing out, chin back on chest. Breathe in. One more time, look all the way up. Breathing out, chin on chest. Breathe in to the center. Thank you for watching CreateYogi channel. If you found this video useful, then please subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to share, like or comment. Until we meet next, give love, live life.